We will now move on to our second method of reviewing, color coding. Color coding is a method where you use a set of colors to show different pieces of information on your paper. You can select and choose what each color means. It is usually best to use at least 3 colors when reviewing each set of notes. Once again, I will pretend to be the student in these examples. In the first example, I created a key using my 3 colors. I then labeled the green color main topics, the pink color subtopics, and the blue color key terms. I then began to read through my notes and color-coded as I went along using each of these 3 colors. In this next example, I used green to represent major topics that I had learned and pink for examples of each topic. Although I only used 2 colors, this helped me to be able to understand my notes. As I went through, I used these 2 colors to review my notes. In this example, I decided to assign 1 color to each section. Green represented the things I wanted to remember about Rosie the Riveter, pink represented workforce changes, and orange represented military support. This can help you organize your different sections of your notes. One version of color coding is to personalize the colors to that specific note page. In this example, I had green represent any acts and laws that occurred during the Revolutionary War era. I then labeled blue as anything that related to the Enlightenment, and pink was any action that the colonists had done. I then worked through my notes, color coding each of these 3 things as I went. Now it's time to apply color coding to your traditions outline notes. Don't forget to include a key and use at least 3 colors as you review your notes. Good luck.